What's up, guys? Welcome back to Must Have Wheels. So today we got another episode on the Kraton XL. So this thing has been giving me such heartache. The last 3-4 times I had it out, it's been having some stupid problems that we're working through one by one. One of them being the thing is very hard to control on rough terrain, and I think that had a lot to do with the belted Badlands I was using. So I slapped the stalkers back on. Everything else is the same on the truck. I'm going to give her another go. We got the ramp out. I'm going to set that thing up and see how she does today. Boys, we got Big Al in the house with his Kraton EXB. We got Mad Speed RC down there also with this Kraton EXB. We're gonna move this ramp. It's gonna go down there. I think we can get some air off of this too. It's not bad, eh? Well, right off the bat, this is the first run since I took the Pro lines off, and I got more traction with the stock tires already, I can tell you that much.
That's looking good, man.
Yeah, it's hooking up way better now. Oh, it's all ice over there. Oh! Mad Speed, Big Al. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna set the ramp up all the way down there so we have a good run on the gravel, and we're gonna land on the grass because I do not like landing on this stuff or the asphalt. We call it asphalt over here. I hear in the US you guys call it asphalt. So this guy's on 4S right now, which is interesting. We're gonna see how it handles in the air. I'm gonna go ahead and move the ramp and we'll get some hang time. We got the ramp set up. We got a nice runway. I'm stepping it nice. All right, let's see how we make out with these tires. So much better. So much better, my God. Oh, barely. You gotta slap that 5S.
Yeah, I got the 6
too. Oh, damn, these tires are actually hooking up so much better than the Pro lines. Like, I wouldn't have been able to roll it like that before with the Pro lines. It would just pretty much drift. So a couple of a couple of outings ago, I stiffened up the shock oil. And yeah, I did that so I can get a softer landing, make the shocks absorb more of the impact. At the same time, I put the Pro lines on. And I was power sliding. But now that I actually have some decent traction, she wants to roll over. But I'm not going to complain. Traction is good. Nice. The ramp keeps shifting. Okay, so the rim just dug into the ground and shot a piece of dirt out. I hope the GoPro caught that. This guy right here. Right from here. Still in one piece. So that one there still shot the truck off the ramp sideways. I don't know if you guys caught that. That's one of the problems that I'm battling with this truck. Yeah. Yeah. That's enough to end the day right there.
So snap that guy. Snap the eyelid. What else is new? Not so bad. I'm just trying to get this truck dialed in. And in the process, we're breaking stuff. But hey, it's all part of the game, right? So, okay, we're gonna pack it up for the day, guys.
I don't care, this thing is driving itself back. Another one bites the dust. There goes Big Al's big day. Wah, wah. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this session up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the show. You know the drill. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. It's all good. Leave some comments below. Guys, I need some help. I gotta figure out why this truck is going sideways off this ramp. It's driving me absolutely mad. This is the only one of my trucks that do this. Look at this. It's going up straight. It left the ramp straight, and then right here, it just goes sideways. And watching the video back, I can see now how I could have corrected it. I could have gave it some throttle and steering right there, and it might have pulled the front end up, but I didn't. Too much going on in the moment. My battle is keeping it straight in the air in the first place. I don't want to have to make that correction. So guys, throw me some suggestions in the comment section below. Give me some tips. Let me know some things that I can try to help correct this issue that I'm having. The truck's all fixed up, ready to go for another bash. I thickened up the front diff oil for now. We're going to give that a shot. So if you guys want to check that out, hit the subscribe button. That video will be coming up shortly. As always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time.